Hey, Steve Lindsay here with the one, the only, the flagship of the Honda fleet, the 2018 Honda Accord. It is incredible.
Introducing the all-new Honda Accord. It's the most impressive Honda to date, built with a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine and a European-inspired fastback design that is guaranteed to represent with style America's best sedan. The Honda Accord has a sophisticated interior with all the standard features and technology you've come to expect from a Honda, like wheel-mounted controls, ergonomic comfort, dual climate heating and air conditioning, a heads-up display screen, and every audio feature you could imagine to connect to any audio source. An insider's perspective gives passengers a comfortable experience combined with all the technology demanded for 2018. Every Accord comes with Honda Sensing, an intelligent suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies that can help you stay aware of the road and could even help you avoid a collision. It's the most comprehensive suite offered standard in its class among mid-size sedans. Features include collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, and a lane keeping assist system. There's even traffic sign recognition software. All of these features, inside and out, come together to create perfection. The 2018 Honda Accord.
There's a reason that the Accord has been named repeatedly one of Car and Driver's 10 best. It's everything that you could want from a mid-size sedan, and it's available today off I-70 and Bryce Road. Come find out why everyone says Honda makes the cars, Lindsay makes the difference.